Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Learner. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and configure a XAMPP package in your local computer. XAMPP is a free and open source web server solution. It can be used to provide local web server environment for testing and development purpose. Actually, XAMPP consists of a set of applications or a set of softwares. Here X means it's a cross-platform application. That means you can use the XAMPP package in either Windows or Linux operating system. The letter A means Apache web server. You can configure or you can use your local computer as a web server. M means MySQL or MariaDB. That means your computer will be act as a database server, or you can configure your computer to act like a database server. The P means PHP and the next P means Perl. So here PHP and Perl can be used for the scripting purpose. There are other two flavors available, that is XAMPP and LAMP. XAMPP can be used to install in Windows machine. Here W means Windows, A means Apache, M means MySQL and P means PHP. LAMP means Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. I already told you that XAMPP can be used for the testing and development purpose. It is actually used before the deployment of your web application in public server. So for the testing purpose, you can use XAMPP package in your local machine. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and configure a XAMPP server in your local machine. So let us start the installation procedure. First of all, open your favorite web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome and search for the XAMPP server. You will get a lot of links. Use the first link. In the next page, you can see XAMPP packages for Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. Here I am using the package for Windows operating system. It will automatically download the package into your system. Once the download is completed, open the folder which contains the executable file which can be used to install the XAMPP package. So just double click the executable file which will start the installation procedure. Then it will pop up a warning message, activated user account control. Just ignore for now by clicking the OK button, which will start the installation procedure. Just click on the next button. And here you can see XAMPP package bundle comes with all the following applications, that is Apache server, MySQL, FTP server, mail server, PHP and Perl script and PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin can be used to manage your database in your system. Then click on the next button. Then you can choose your favorite language for the installation. I am going to choose English. Then click on the next button, which is going to start the installation of XAMPP server in your machine. Then you will get a pop-up window like this, completing the XAMPP setup wizard. So here I am not opting the option, that is do you want to start the control panel now? Then just click the finish button. Once the installation is completed, you can start the XAMPP control panel from the start menu. In the XAMPP control panel, you can see the following modules: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury and Tomcat. You can start or stop all these modules individually. Here you can start the Apache server by clicking the start button which is given against the Apache. Once the Apache server is started, you can see that the module name given will become green color and the default port number the Apache server is listening is 80. You can change that port number by clicking the configure button. Also, you can start the MySQL database server by clicking the start button given against the MySQL database. You can check whether the web server is started or not by clicking your favorite web browser and type localhost in the address bar. If you are getting a page like this, we can say that your web server has started running. In this page, you can see one important link, that is phpMyAdmin, which can be used to configure or create a database in your system. This is the home page or dashboard of phpMyAdmin. In the left side, you can see a lot of databases. You can create a database here by clicking the new button here. I will show you an example on how to create a database and tables using phpMyAdmin later. Next, I will show you how to create and run a sample PHP script using your configured web server. Let us create a simple PHP script to display a welcome message in the web browser and execute that PHP script using the installed Apache server. For that, I am using the Notepad text editor for creating the PHP script. You can use any one of your favorite text editor. You can use either Dreamweaver, Visual Studio Code, Notepad, WordPad, Emac, Nano text editors. Here I am going to use the text editor Notepad. In this, type the function echo. In PHP you can use echo to display a message on the screen. So echo, in double quote you can type the message to be displayed, welcome to PHP script. So this thing should be displayed on the screen. To make it as a PHP script, you have to enclose this statement inside the PHP tag. So this is the PHP tag, less than $PHP, and close that tag using greater than. Next, save that file. Here important thing is that you need to save that file in the server root directory. So in this machine I have installed the XAMPP server, and this is the root directory of Apache server, that is XAMPP htdocs. In this file, in this folder, you create a file. So here I am giving the file name as test.php. The file extension should be .php. Then just click the save button. So here we just created a PHP script. The file name is test.php. Next thing, open your XAMPP control panel and start the Apache server. So the color changed to green. We can say that the Apache server has been started. Then open your web browser. Type localhost / your file name test.php. So you can see that the welcome to PHP script output has been displayed in the web browser. You can edit that file. We can give a heading tag h1 to display the welcome message in heading format. Then close that heading tag h1. Then save that file. Once again we can just reload the browser. You can see the output. So this is the simple example of PHP script. Let us wind up this video here. In the next video, I will show you how to create a web application or how to create a project using XAMPP package. If you have any queries regarding this video, just leave a comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.